Hey guys, welcome to my What I Eat in a Day video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some easy vegan recipes. I'm going to show you how I make my favorite tofu scramble and a homemade vegan dill cream cheese, a berry smoothie bowl, and a BLT pasta salad. This pasta salad is a crowd pleaser for sure, as are all the recipes in this video. They are all so yummy and definitely have been on rotation in my home. Thank you so much to Quinoa Natural Foods for sending me some of their awesome snacks. I love their little nutty line, and I'll be showing in this video how I like to use some of them. All of their products are organic and vegan. I will leave a link to their website down below along with my promo code. I hope you guys enjoy these recipes, and let's get started. I love these chocolate quinoa bites. They provide a nice crispy crunch to your smoothies, and I just love how they stay crispy in your smoothie bowl, so they are really yummy. This is one of my favorite pasta salad recipes. It is so good, and I love the flavor of this coconut bacon. It is slightly sweet and spicy. It tastes so yummy with this creamy pasta. I also brought this to my family's potluck, and they all loved it. Everyone there was non-vegan as well. obsessed with this cashew dill cream cheese. It is so yummy on a toasted bagel. And I've also been loving this tofu scramble. I definitely make this all the time, and I love it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you recreate any of these recipes in this video, please tag me on Instagram, as I would love to see your recreations. Here's my Instagram where I post a recipe and meal inspirations on there. I would love for you guys to check it out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Also, these little nutty organic gummy bears are life. They are so good.